All right, here I am again working the night shift. On the night shift. Got my hoodie on because it's cold. All right. Anyway, I was watching some videos the other day. Oh, by the way, I'm using my cell phone. I took some paper clips and I bent them, well, it took 2 good-sized paper clips, but I used 2 of them in order to hang my cell phone up right here. And I've got the charger, it's plugged into the charger, and the charger's plugged in down here, so I had it up there charging so that I could, do a video. But anyway, I wanted to talk about how I've been watching some YouTube videos, right? And a couple of days ago, I was watching this one guy. He puts out a lot of videos. I mean, I noticed this guy's putting out like uploading about 10 videos a day. It varies day to day, but I think it's averaging out to be about 10 videos a day. But this guy, it seems like all he does is just walk around outside on his little piece of property he has and talks about random stuff. And sometimes he has the camera on himself, sometimes he don't. Sometimes the whole video is just pointing at the grass and the trees and birds and this while you're listening to the guy talk. Well, this guy just picks something random to talk about. He just wanders around and, talks. He does a little research into it at first. I don't know how he does his research, but he does, a little bit of research here and a little bit there. Maybe watches a couple other videos, and he finds something to talk about. Kind of like what I'm doing right now. I watched this guy. I watched about 5 of his videos. They weren't very long. I think the longest one was maybe 15 minutes long. So his videos are averaging between, I don't know, say 8 minutes to 15, 16 minutes. But I think the point I'm trying to get to here is the guy's making videos. He's uploading those videos, and he's doing an average of about 10 a day. Uploads, that is. So he's getting views. He's getting a lot of views. I noticed on one of his videos, it had been posted not quite 24 hours, and he already had over 50,000 views on that one video. If he's doing 10 videos a day, and he's getting thousands of views a day, just talking about random stuff, then this guy's got it. He's got, I guess you could say, the recipe for success on YouTube. I mean, sure, he's not getting millions of views like some people are, but it's adding up. He may not get the million of views on one video, but he's getting, when you take all his videos and aggregate all of them together, he is getting millions of views. I don't think he's trending or anything like that. He's just, whipping out his camera, talking about something and looking at something, And I don't know, I've looked at some of my videos that I've put out, that I've uploaded to YouTube, and sometimes I wonder, is this something that other people are interested in, or, why would they watch a video of mine? Just off the wall random stuff. Well, yesterday I uploaded a video, and I guess it'd been 24 hours, you know, and I went back and I looked at it, and in that 24 hours, I got 20 views. I mean, that's nothing like what that other guy was doing. 50,000 views? That's crazy. So anyway, I figured, well, you know, if that guy can do it, I can too. You know, I'm going to start uploading more videos. I'm not just going to sit here and try to think of the perfect video, the perfect transcript, I guess you could say, of what to talk about, or the perfect or the perfect way of doing it. You know, I'm just going to sit and I'm going to randomly talk with a runny nose, of course. Okay, took care of that. But anyway, I just figured I'd say a few things. You know, here I am, I'm already on a 6-minute video here talking about random junk. But I was thinking of a good recipe, I guess you could say, you know, of what I could put together to create the perfect video. The video that millions of people would like to watch, and do it in a 24-hour period of me uploading that video. Well, you know, I honestly do not believe that there is that kind of recipe. I don't believe it. I think that there is a lot of hard work that goes behind the scenes, I guess you could say. Somebody posts a video, well, they may also have Twitter account, Facebook account, LinkedIn account, other accounts, you know, other social media accounts, and each time that they would upload their video, they would to YouTube, right? They could share that video. Where can you share it to? Well, you can share it to your other social media accounts. So that's the missing ingredient out of the recipe that most people have, right? So they're thinking, hey, I'm going to make a video, upload it to YouTube, and get millions of hits, have it go viral, right? Millions of views, but they don't get that. And why do they not get that? It's because nobody knows they have uploaded that video. But the person who uploads a video to YouTube and immediately shares that out to their Facebook friends and their folks that they're linked into on LinkedIn, or, you know, out to Twitter, you know, this and that, right? Boom, they let everybody know. Well, of course, everybody out on those other accounts are going to click on that, and they're going to watch that video. But that video, right, counts on YouTube. It counts up each time, right? Each time it's being watched. Each time it's being watched from all these other social media accounts. Keeps adding up and 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 adding up. Right? Then they're getting their thousands of views. Then they're getting their millions of views. They're getting their thousands of comments and thousands of thumbs up. Oh, by the way, give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. Subscribe. They're asking for that. Every time they do a video, they're asking for that subscription, for that thumbs up, for that comment, for others to share their video. Right? Those are the missing ingredients that most people don't have in their recipe for success on YouTube. So, here I am. I'm at practically a 10-minute video just to talk about my thoughts on all this. So I'm going to end it here, and I'm going to upload a video because I've committed myself to uploading 150 videos. I haven't given myself a timeline yet, but I'm figuring 150 videos on top of what I've already got. And each time that I do that, I'm going to get my views. I'm going to get my thumbs up, and I'm going to get those comments, and I'm going to grow my channel fast. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.